just about to go and pick the frame and all the other bits up. I can't wait, I'm actually buzzing. I've waited 2 weeks for this now, and yeah, I'm interested to see how it looks. Auto blast for a little bit out in the countryside. It's a very nice area, to be fair. So yeah, gonna go pick this up, see what it comes out like, but I'm sure they would have done an amazing job because they've got some really good reviews online, and judging by the comments and stuff of what people have said, I don't think I'm going to be disappointed, and the colour I've gone for is going to look really good. So I just got all the bits back from the powder coaters. Can't wait to open them. I've brought them all in the lounge because I'm going to be unpacking it all. Now the good thing is they've put bubble wrap on all of the bits and taped it up so nothing gets scratched, so I'm going to show you it now. I'm quite surprised at how many parts I actually got powder coated here. You can see there's like loads of bits. And I've got the exhaust shot blasted and also the forks, because there's no point powder coating that. That needs to be high temperature paint. I'm going to do it myself. They didn't do the forks in the powder coaters because I didn't strip them back enough, which I was aware of at the day when I dropped it off. So I'm going to hand spray them myself. But let's get these bits opened and see exactly how they look. Now this looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely love this colour, and I absolutely love the word absolutely. It just looks so nice. So this is the dusty grey. I'll put the round number up here somewhere, left or right, so you can all copy me if you fancy it. You can see, because I've got all like the bike rack at the rear, got that in matte black, all the wheels in matte black, everything pretty much in matte black, frame and that tank in dusty grey. And this is like the exhaust shield. I'm not too fussed about that and the exhaust because, like I said, I'm going to be hand spraying that bit anyway. So this is the handlebars, the rear light. I think I'm going to have to spray that silver because they've done the inside, but it's not a problem. This is the foot pegs. This is the bike stand. Foot pegs, bike stand. Wheels. Quality of the finish is absolutely top notch. I'm going to replace the bearings in this. I didn't take them out before powder coating, which was daft of me, but there we go. These things happen. Yeah, can't wait to get it all back together. This is one job I've been waiting to do for ages. Just get these matte black stickers on the frame. I can't wait. I'm just going to get on with it and do it now. One thing I didn't mention is this lovely saddle which my mate James has done for me. So I'm going to show you the clips on that as well in this, because I'm well happy with how that's turned out. Although it does look like a very dark cross on, it looks much better than it was before. Finish on that just looks so good. I can't wait to get the bike back to normal again. Really massive thank you to Autoblast who've done this, because I think they've done an amazing job, and also James on the seat. Everything's looking so good. I just cannot wait. You can hear how buzzing I am. Yep, here we are.